Hello. To begin with, let me answer last week's question. I had asked which are the two polling stations set up by the Election Commission of India in 2019 where there were only one voter each. So the first one was in Banej in the Gir forests in Gujarat, and the other one was in Malogam in Arunachal Pradesh, which is where I'd like to start today's episode. Arunachal Pradesh, with its capital at Itanagar, is also called the land of the rising sun in India. That is because the first light of the morning sun reaches Arunachal before any other state in the country. It is the state with the lowest population density in the country, and it shares a long border with China, as you can see. In fact, it is said that during the 1962 war with China, the Chinese troops entered up till Tawang and then retreated once ceasefire was declared. The Tawang Monastery, which is the largest monastery in India, is situated in the state. Now, how many of you have heard of the Seven Sister States? Arunachal Pradesh is the largest of these seven sisters, which make up the northeastern part of the country. These seven sisters are Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Now, these seven sisters, or the northeastern part of the country, is separated by a thin 22-kilometer wide Siliguri corridor, which is also called the Chicken's Neck. If you happen to drive through this corridor, you will be minutes away from Bangladesh and Nepal, and not very far away from Bhutan either. As you can see, the strategic importance of this corridor is very high for India. Crossing the corridor, we reach Assam. At the time of independence in 1947, Assam was about 3 times its current size, and it included the current states of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, and Mizoram, and its capital was at Shillong. In 1972, when Meghalaya was carved out of Assam, Shillong became the capital of Meghalaya, and Dispur became the new capital of Assam. You may be interested to know that Asia's first oil refinery and the world's oldest running oil refinery is situated at Digboy in Assam in its Tinsukia district, and it is about 120 years old now. Coming to Assam's neighbor, Meghalaya, it is known for its beautiful landscape and sceneries, and also for the cleanest village in Asia. In fact, Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall annually, and it is the wettest place in the world. Although ironically, it is reported that Mawsynram suffers from an acute water shortage. Coming to something more positive, Meghalaya is the only state in the country which follows the matrilineal system. That is, inheritance and lineage is traced through women and not men. I'll finish the episode here, and I'll continue with the northeastern states in the next episode. Before I go, I have a question for you. Now, there are 2 states in India where English is the only official language. One of them is Arunachal Pradesh. Can you find out the other one for me, please? I hope to see you again very soon.